you do extraterrestrial mining. What is that, and then what progress are you making?
Well, the Earth is just one tiny dot in a universe that is infinite. And even in our own solar system, the resources available to us far exceed what we could ever have on Earth. And so the vision of Planetary Resources is to expand the Earth's resource base and really let humanity become multi-planetary.
I feel like you're underestimating it when you say expand. When I was looking through some of the information, you're looking at the value of the elements on asteroids. Davida worth $100 trillion.
Well, asteroids are the bright stars, the real diamonds in the rough, if you will, of the solar system. In fact, many of the best mines that we have on Earth, where we get platinum and things like that, are actually sites where asteroids impacted the Earth. They're the remnants of the very early solar system, and so they're very pure. They've got rare metals, industrial metals, and even fuels. So we could create gas stations in space that would enable us to travel throughout the solar system, just like Star Trek.
So you've got satellites up in space looking for these asteroids. What about the technicalities here? How do you actually then land on an asteroid to then start mining? I mean, it sounds like pie in the sky.
Well, it is a big thing to do. It's difficult. We knew that. Now, we're not mining yet. So right now we've got our satellite and our spacecraft plan for the next few years is in prospecting.
How long? How long do you think before we've got the technology to land on an asteroid and start mining?
Well, we've got the technology today. In fact, it's been done. There's been science missions that have gone to asteroids that have been funded by governments. The real key is, can the team of Planetary Resources, which is 50 people, now mind you, some of the best 50 people in the world, if I can say so, can they do it at a price that makes it commercially feasible?
Right.
And the answer is yes. We've already built these small spacecraft. We've launched our first one. It's been successful. And we're going to prove that we can do this and make it commercial and make it sustainable.
So this is not your only focus as well. You've also taken in $1 billion worth of space flight contracts. So if I decide I want to go to space, how do I go about it? And I think more importantly, as you just mentioned there, how much is it going to cost me? So
you're referring to Space Adventures, which is another company that I founded. Space Adventures has flown all of the people who have ever been to space as private citizens. And it has contracts in the future, combined with those in the past, that exceed $1 billion. And so if you'd like to go, I'll give you the application and you can give me your credit card.
And how much would it cost me?
$50 million.
Per person?
Per person, but it's 10 days on the space station. Now, you got to remember, the space station is a $100 billion hotel.
Yeah.
It's not a hotel. It's a wonderful science lab.
Yeah. But
$50 million to visit a $100 billion facility is actually a real bargain.
How long do I get to stay?
10 days.